Hello friends, in this video we will see how to make a granny square out of the granny circle which we made already. So this is the granny circle which we saw in the previous video as to how to make it. Now we will make a granny square out of this. For this we need one color yarn, any color yarn would do. So and you make a slip knot. Make a slip knot and join it in the granny circle. You can join it anywhere you wish to, but here I am joining it at the place where I left, where I finished the granny circle. Now you chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This acts as one double crochet, and now you make 2 double crochets into the same chain space. 1 and 2. Now you have a set of 3 double crochets. Now chain 2. Once you chain 2, make 3 double crochets in the next chain space. If you think the end tails are showing up even if after you hide it, you can just later using a needle weave it inside the stitches. One, two, and 3. So you have a set of 3 double crochets in this chain space. Now you chain 2 and then again make 3 double crochets in the next chain space. So in order to make this into a square, you need to have even number of chain spaces, and every fourth chain space in this granny circle will be a corner because it has 12 chain spaces. So consider the first one to be a corner, which we will finish it in the end, and then you have to make the fourth chain space into a corner. So chain 2 and then chain 3 double crochets in the next chain space, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the same chain space to make it into a corner. So here you see the corner has 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. Now chain 2 and chain 3 double crochets in the next chain space. Now chain 2 again. Now you see one of the corners have been formed. The first one I told you will be a corner, which we will finish later. Now second and third stitch we have done, and now the fourth is a corner, and now you have made 3 double crochets and then your chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the next chain space. The next one will be a corner, and after chaining 2 chains, make 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the next chain space to make it into a corner. So after the corner you will have 2 sets of 3 double crochets each in each of the chain spaces, and in the corner you will have 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. In this way you can convert this granny circle into a granny square. Three double crochet, two chains, and three double crochets. You needed to mind the shape. Once you block it, it will become a proper square. Now the next corner is being done, and now you are doing the next space with three double crochets, chain 2, and then three double crochets. Now chain 2, and you have to finish the corner, finish the last corner. So for this you have already done three double crochets in that particular chain space. So now you chain 2 and make three double crochets and two chains and join it with the top stitch with the help of a slip stitch. So now you have completed the granny square from a granny circle. So now you have to block it in order to make it into a perfect square. Hope this was pretty easy to understand and hope you will try too. Thank you.